Doody 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 doody. What you doing? Shh. Just trying to figure out how to get past that man-eating dog. Oh, okay. Try this. Wow, gee whizzer, you sure need a doctor.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Did someone just get murdered?
No, sir, the dog did it. Well, I guess I'd better see if he's okay.
Well, sorry guys, I'm afraid it's just too late for him.
Well, I guess I'd better arrest the dog. Mr. Dog, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be and will be held against you in the court of law. No, 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 no!
Wow, I don't think we're ever gonna get past that dog. Well, only one way to find out if we ever will. Geronimo!
Bad dog, spit him out right now! Thank you. Wow, not much left.